In the fast-paced world of software and SaaS, ensuring seamless customer support and maintaining operational efficiency are key to staying ahead of the competition. When downtime, high call volumes, or repetitive customer queries threaten to disrupt workflows, your business needs innovative solutions to stay on track. Our phone bot, tailored for the software industry, offers the perfect combination of automation and intelligent escalation to transform your customer support operations. Here's how our solution empowers your business. 1. Instant outage alerts to keep your engineers informed when software services experience outages. Every second counts. Delayed notifications can lead to extended downtime, frustrated customers, and damaged reputations. How our phone bot helps. Our phone bot instantly detects service interruptions and sends real-time alerts via SMS or Slack directly to your engineers. This ensures your team is mobilized immediately, reducing downtime and safeguarding customer trust. 2. Automating routine customer queries for greater efficiency. Customer support teams are often overwhelmed with repetitive questions like password resets and basic troubleshooting. These tasks consume valuable resources that could be better spent on resolving complex customer issues. How our phone bot helps. Our bot handles routine queries seamlessly, offering quick solutions to common problems. Complex issues are intelligently escalated to human agents, freeing your team to focus on higher priority tasks. The result? Improved efficiency and happier customers. 3. Managing high call volumes during outages with ease. Service disruptions often trigger a flood of customer inquiries, overwhelming your support teams and leading to longer wait times. How our phone bot helps. Our phone bot is built to manage hundreds of simultaneous calls. It provides real-time outage updates to customers, reducing call queue lengths and alleviating stress on your support agents. Customers stay informed while your team focuses on resolving the root cause of the issue. 4. Proactive communication during scheduled maintenance. Announcing scheduled maintenance can be a logistical challenge, especially when you need to notify a large customer base across various platforms. How our phone bot helps. With our bot, you can schedule SMS and Slack updates in advance. These updates keep your customers informed and prepared for any service interruptions, reducing confusion and enhancing customer satisfaction. 5. Seamless escalation to human support for critical issues. Critical customer issues often require immediate human intervention, but traditional IVR systems can frustrate users and delay resolution. How our phone bot helps. Our bot intelligently routes urgent calls to the appropriate human agents. By combining automation with intelligent escalation, we ensure critical issues are addressed promptly while maintaining efficiency for routine tasks. Why choose our phone bot? Scalability. Handle thousands of calls simultaneously without increasing staffing costs. Efficiency. Reduce the burden on support teams by automating repetitive tasks and providing real-time updates. Integration. Seamlessly integrates with tools like Slack to enhance internal communication. Customer satisfaction. Improve response times and keep customers informed, even during high-pressure situations.